Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. Face ID can be unlocked on iPhone 18 Pro in 2026 using a smaller dynamic island. According to the latest available data and new leaks, Apple may finally hide Face ID under the display next year. Here are the iPhone 18 leaks that suggest major design tweaks, including under-display Face ID and more. Let's dive into the full video. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. Finally, Face ID can be unlocked on iPhone 18 Pro in 2026, using a smaller dynamic island. After years of rumors, Apple may finally be bringing an under-screen Face ID system with the iPhone 18 lineup next year, if a new leak is to be believed. The Cupertino-based tech giant is reportedly testing an in-display Face ID system, using spliced microtransparent glass, a Chinese leaker on Weibo has claimed. According to a tech insider named Smart Pikachu on Weibo, Apple is testing a new method that allows its TrueDepth system's infrared sensors to pass through the display without distortion. The tipster claims that Apple has already notified suppliers to accelerate the supply chain for the potential new technology. However, the report only mentions the iPhone 18 series, and does not provide specific details on which iPhone 18 models could get the new Face ID technology. With the introduction of this technology, the size of the dynamic island on iPhones could be dramatically reduced and could potentially lead to just a cutout for the front camera, similar to what is seen on several Android devices. A report by The Information earlier this year also claimed that the iPhone 18 Pro models will not come with a dynamic island, and instead feature a pinhole cutout for the camera in the upper left corner of the display. However, other leaks have suggested that the dynamic island is likely to stay on iPhones, although its size may be reduced. Analyst Ross Young has previously stated that iPhone 18 Pro models could come with under-display Face ID, but that the dynamic island may not be fully discarded. Meanwhile, Bloomberg's Mark Gurman has noted that the iPhone 18 series could feature a slimmer dynamic island, rather than a fully under-display Face ID system. Apple is likely to launch the iPhone 18 series in September, in line with its usual annual schedule. However, the company could push back the launch of some iPhone 18 models to 2027, where they could be joined by the successor to the iPhone Air. Meanwhile, Apple could launch the iPhone 18 Pro series along with its first ever foldable iPhone in September. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.